overall software update to both PC and mobile phones, either smart or feature ones. Kindly subscribe and tap on the notification bell as never to miss any updates.
So welcome back guys again. So are you getting this error, action is not allowed when commenting on YouTube? So I've been getting many comments uh, about this video whereby everyone is asking me questions like some are getting this error, this action isn't allowed when they are trying to comment on YouTube videos. So I try to give some reasons like uh, different things can cause such a thing, but the most interesting part here is that this error comes from using a VPN, depending on which particular place you are in, your country, region, or whatever. So most of the times when you are not commenting on YouTube, if you're not blocked by YouTube or anything, most of the times it's due to the VPN you are using. So when you deactivate or turn off the VPN, you will be able to comment on YouTube. So this was the video which I posted some time back, as you can see.
Couldn't comment whereby he was getting this
So
error.
that's the error I'm talking about.
This error, this action isn't allowed.
This action is not allowed.
So he cannot comment on YouTube videos or getting that error, this action isn't allowed. So if you're also getting the same action, this one could be based upon like three things. Either you're using a VPN, so if you're using a VPN, another thing, try turning off your VPN, then comment you'll be able to comment. So another thing, your YouTube might be in restricted mode. So this
So also another thing, it was about the restricted mode, but the most case here was the VPN. So as you can see comments here,
one you
so we
just
shall
check
check comments
from
here back so that we can see. Let's check comments how people are responding about this video. So this video I published some time back. As you can see, this action isn't allowed, you cannot comment on YouTube. So these are some of the comments. I'll not read all the comments, I'll be selecting those ones. So like this one, he said, "Whoa, it's true. You can't comment if you have a VPN. I was unable to comment for weeks. I just turned off my VPN." So as you can see, this one, he's saying due to the VPN now he can comment. So as you can see, this one, Emmanuel, also saying VPN. This one was like, "Sorry, I used the VPN. Still, the issue is all about the VPN." So we also have this one, also VPN. This one, uh, working now. I'm not getting the solution. This one is saying it's my VPN that restricts me to comment. Wow, nice video. So he said it was the VPN. So this one also is saying, is this working now? It is. The VPN was the problem. I turned it off. Now I can comment. Thank you. So as you can see, this one is also saying it was the VPN. So we shall check other comments which are saying VPN. This one is also saying it's a VPN. It was the VPN. Then this one is also saying if your VPN is enabled, disable it. So that means it was a VPN for him too. So this one also saying this one is another thing. This one was another thing, and this one is said turned off VPN, seeing it works. So it's all about VPN, as you can see. So in case you want to comment and you cannot comment and you're using a VPN, first try that one. If it doesn't work for you, then you have to check if you are in restricted mode, your YouTube is in restricted mode. So as you can see, this comment also is saying, and this one is of recent 18 hours ago. So this one is also saying, certainly it works when I have disconnected VPN. I couldn't comment, but could you explain why? So I wanted to know reasons why. So this one also, uh, I'll check others. All these ones are appreciating. Thanks. they managed to get the solution. This one is saying, oh my god, I can post comments, thank you. Third video, thank you. So as you can see, most, wow, I turned off my VPN, problem solved, thank you. So as you can see, all are appreciating because of the VPN. Thanks for the help. Okay, so you can see, thanks turning off the VPN, it worked. Thanks explaining, I couldn't figure it because I couldn't comment on some and not others. So this one also is saying I turned off VPN. So as you can see, all the comments are all about VPN. So guys, if you can't still figure it out, try turning off the VPN, guys. So this is only what I wanted to discuss with you guys. That's what I wanted to discuss with you guys, to make it clear in this video that it's all about VPN most of the times, which can stop you from commenting, something like that, because sometimes the VPN has to take you in another area, like another region, things like that. It doesn't give your actual location, so sometimes maybe it is based on the location, things like that. So other places maybe they restrict commenting on YouTube, things like that. There are very many factors which I can't explain well, but if we manage to figure out uh, the issue where it's coming from, then well and fine. In case you're on YouTube, you can first turn off the VPN, do your commenting, do all your stuff, then you can go ahead to use your VPN when you're doing other things you feel like doing. Thank you for watching once again, guys. If you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be able to answer you. Thank you.